Hello and welcome SQL Server Architecture video series. In the previous videos, we discussed about the storage engine of the database engine components. In this video, I am discussing about another component of the database engine, that is Relational Engine. Then, what is Relational Engine? Relational Engine, also called query processor, is responsible for evaluating user requests. The Relational Engine executes user queries by requesting data from the storage engine, processing, and returning the data to the end user. Relational Engine is responsible for the actual query execution and returning data to the end user. Any SQL query need to go from multiple processes for execution. Based on this process, Relational Engine contains different components. Then, what are the components of Relational Engine? First one is Parser, next Optimizer, then query executor and query output. These are the components of the Relational Engine. Once user requests the query, Parser passes the query and checking any errors occurred. It is success, then to pass to the Optimizer. Optimizer generates the execution plan. Once execution plan is generated, it will pass to query executor. This is the actual execution of the user query. Once query execution is completed, then the query output, the result will be sent to the end user. This is the execution process of the query. All these components working together and one by one, and the query results sent to the end user. We can check these details. First, parser. The parser passes the query for syntax for the given TSQL query. It will throw errors if any syntax error occurs. The parser is the first relational engine component to receive the query data. Next, query optimizer. The query optimizer generates the execution plan on the basis of the stats and choose the best one for the execution. The optimizer finds the cheapest plan, but that may or may not be the best one. The query optimizer generates the execution plan for the submitted query and it passes to the query executor. This is the actual query execution. Actual execution plan may change here and the same will be stored in the plan cache for the future reference. Once query executor executes the query and it receives the data from the storage engine. Actually, the query executor executes the query based on the query got from the optimizer. Sometimes the query executor changes the execution plan and the same stored to the plan cache. Then query output. When the executor receives the data from the storage engine, the result is published to the protocol layer. It means there are different protocol layers. Based on the permission, the data will return to the user. This is the process of the execution of the user query. First, user submit the TSQL query. First, the parser passes the query. This will find any errors. It will throw from here. Otherwise, parser passes the query to the optimizer. Optimizer finds the best execution plan and forward to the query executor. Query executor execute the query and receive data from the storage and pass to the query output. Then user will get the result. In the case of DDL command, parser pass the query, then it is directly go to the query executor. There is no need for the optimizer for the TCL command. In this video, we covered what is Relational Engine and what are the main components of the Relational Engine. In the next video, we can check the functions of SQL OS. Thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe the channel.